Hey there everyone, it's Jasper with the Boys and Girls Club of Contra Costa, and today we are going to learn a unique kitchen skill that will help us in our recipe, atole de elote. We are going to learn how to sift our ingredients. This is a skill that you didn't know you needed, but when you start learning how to use it, you'll use it more often than you think. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Sifting is a process that breaks up any lumps in the flour and aerates it at the same time by pushing it through a gadget that is essentially a cup with a fine strainer at one end. Sifted flour, which is much lighter than unsifted flour, is easier to mix into other ingredients when forming a cake batter or making dough. When flour is sifted with other dry ingredients, such as cocoa powder, this helps to combine them evenly before they are mixed with other ingredients. Sifting flour used to be necessary to separate out things like bugs or chaff, the husk of corn or seeds. Commercial flour, however, is refined enough now that this process is generally unnecessary in ordinary everyday baking. Finally, sifting flour over a work surface when you're about to roll out or knead dough can be a great idea if you want a thin layer of flour, since adding too much additional flour to your dough can dry or toughen it. Okay, so sifting is taking out something that you don't want in one ingredient and sifting or straining that out. If we apply that logic, this tool is way more useful than advertised. You just have to have a creative mind.
Now, hopefully you just learned a unique kitchen skill that you can use not just for today, but anytime that you want to be the chef in your kitchen. Check out our next video to see how presentation can change your snack into an experience.